Hello, 6th grade. Welcome to your second to last homework video. Today we talked about simple and compound interest. I want you to see that we have the formulas right here on the top of your sheet. All right, that will be helpful to you as you are solving these problems. I'm actually going to start on the second problem. Oops. The second problem says, Isabella is calculating interest on a deposit of $3,000 in an account that earns 4% compound interest after 6 years, right? So we need to figure out what Isabella did wrong, because in A, it says she figures out her deposit will be worth $6,795. So we're going to explain what Isabella did incorrectly, and then what is the correct amount of interest. Okay, so we are going to try to match some things up. The principal, P, was the deposit, and that matches the story up above. The principal is $3,000. The rate is 4%. Let's see if that matches. Yeah, that's 0.04 and 4%. That matches. And then we're looking at the time of 6 years, 6 and T. That matches. Okay, so far everything looks great. I also know, you might not know, but I do know that this is the correct formula for compound. Go back up to the top. A equals P parenthesis 1 plus R parenthesis to the teeth power, to the power of T. That's exactly what she wrote. All right, so let's put it in a calculator and see if she just made a mistake putting it in a calculator. All right. Equals, clear this out, 3,000 parenthesis 1 plus 0.04 parenthesis to the 6th power equals $3,795.95. Okay, so the mistake is not that it's 96 cents, right? I told you that it should be $3,795.95, right? So this is not the mistake. It's something else. And it has to do with what she says her deposit is worth. She says that her deposit is worth $6,795, but it's not. Do you remember what the A meant? I do. A means account balance. It's the total money. That's the principal plus the interest. So what this says is that the total money she has is $3,795.96 or 95 cents. Right? She says that her deposit is $6,795, but our work says that the total is actually, grab my red here, the total equals $3,795.95 or 96 cents. Okay, so what did she do wrong? Right. What did she do wrong? How did she get the number $6,795.96 when the answer was supposed to be $3,795.95? So you'll need to write what she did wrong. Isabella, or what she did wrong was she did something she shouldn't have done. Think about the difference in those two numbers and where it comes from. Right, then you'll need to answer question B. What is the correct amount of interest? How much extra money did she actually get? All right, then up on the top, there's one problem here. It says, Mrs. Baxter deposited $2,000 in an account that earns 5% simple interest. How much is the investment worth after 8 years? So it says simple interest. So I'm going to circle simple, and we'll write that down. I equals PRT. And for our work and solution, we're going to write the same thing again. I equals PRT. And you might remember from class that we put in the times. So now you need to go back and you need to plug those in. I'm going to help you out a little bit. 8 years is the T. 5% is the R, which means 2,000 is the P. So you need to plug those numbers into the formula, right, and write equals so we can figure out how much interest she gets and how much her investment is now worth. Do your best on this. We'll answer questions tomorrow. Good luck.